Hello again. Let's talk again a little bit about the S structure, S meaning serial structure. This is the case where there is the event EA that is influencing the event B, and that event B on its turn is influencing the event C. There is an important concept as well called the deseparation, and in this case, the event B deseparate the event A and the event C, meaning that the event B itself is enough to fully explain and understand the event C. We don't need any information from the event E. The best way to learn something and to understand something is, of course, to see and learn some examples. So let's do it here. Here we see several examples that I have found and that can represent the serial structure. Disease progression. In medical diagnosis, you might have a sequence of variables representing stages of disease progression, such as early symptoms, advanced symptoms, and diagnosis. Academic achievement. In education, a chain structure could represent factors influencing academic achievement, like study habits, test performance, and overall grades. Supply chain management. In business, a supply chain might involve stages like supplier quality, production efficiency, and production quality. Weather forecasting. Meteorological prediction could involve a chain structure like atmospheric pressure, wind speed, precipitation. Customer satisfaction. In customer feedback analysis, you might model factors leading to customer satisfaction like product quality, customer service, overall satisfaction. Economic indicators. Economic variables may have a chain structure such as unemployment rate, consumer spending, gross domestic product. Epidemiology. In spread of the disease, you could model factors like contact rate, infection rate, and recovery rate. Agricultural growth. Agricultural productivity might be influenced by rainfall, soil fertility, crop yield. Learning a skill. Well, learning a new skill, you might have variables like practice hours, skill proficiency, and performance level. Thanks for watching.